In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stack photos to reduce noise in night or low-light scenes in Affinity Photo. If you've ever shot a cityscape at dusk or a starry sky and ended up with grainy shadows and speckled skies, this method will help you get a cleaner, more professional result without heavy smoothing or detail loss. Start by opening Affinity Photo. With the app ready, go to the File menu and choose New Stack. A stack is Affinity's way of loading multiple, similar images of the same scene and combining them into a single, cleaner image. Stacking works because random noise looks different in every frame, while real detail stays consistent. By intelligently combining those frames, the software preserves detail and suppresses noise. Next, add all your similar photos. These should be multiple shots of the same scene, framed the same way, ideally captured within seconds of each other. Think of a steady burst or a short series taken from a tripod. The more consistent the framing and exposure, the better the result. You don't need hundreds of images. Even 6 to 12 frames can make a visible difference, and 15 to 20 is often excellent for very dark scenes. RAW files give you more latitude, but JPEGs work too. Avoid including frames where the camera moved a lot or where the scene changed significantly, as those can reduce the quality of the final blend. Set alignment to automatic. This tells Affinity Photo to analyze each image and correct for tiny shifts between frames, whether you shot handheld or on a tripod with a bit of vibration. Automatic alignment helps keep fine details crisp and may crop slightly to keep everything lined up. Even if your camera was locked down, leave this on for best results. Set stack mode to median. Median stacking compares the brightness of each pixel across your set and keeps the middle value, which effectively rejects outliers like hot pixels, random color specks, and other noise. It also tends to minimize transient distractions like a passing person or car light, as long as those elements don't dominate every frame. Median is preferred over average in low light because it reduces noise while protecting edges and texture. Finally, click OK to process. Affinity Photo will load, align, and compute the median result. Processing time depends on image size and how many frames you added. When it's done, you'll see a single clean result with smoother skies and quieter shadows. Zoom in to appreciate the improvement. That's the entire workflow for cleaner low-light photos using stacking in Affinity Photo.